We are in Gatlinburg, Tennessee today, and look at the view. To show you, we're gonna be working on this Airbnb here. All right, Facebook and YouTube, so we are back at this cabin in Sevierville, Tennessee. I wanted to show you what we're gonna be working on today. So we actually sanded and refinished all of these hardwood floors here. You can see they turned out incredible. We did entire upstairs, downstairs. We did the treads, all of the rooms, everything. They turned out really great. They're dirty right now, obviously, but they turned out incredible. So now the client actually wants us to come back, and we're going to be installing custom vents with pine inserts, and I think it's going to look really good. So you can see what they have here now. It's just these old school vents, and then I want to show you what it looks like with a new one, so that way you can actually see the difference and how clean it looks. Oh yeah, way better, way more modern. Love that. You can see it's gonna look much better than what we have there, and they're gonna look really good. So we got about 12 of them to do. So we got our boards. We're gonna go out here, start sanding, put the clear coats on them. So let's jump out there and get to it. Since we're doing a clear coat, we just run over it with an 80 grit first, then final with a 120. So now that we've got this board sanded down, we're gonna go ahead and put our template on here and go ahead and rip the entire board at one time. That way we have the exact width, and then we'll go through and cut each one for the length and go ahead and get those inserted, and then we'll get the finish put on them. We got our guide rail with our zero clearance insert. Helps with tear out and helps to keep clean and dust away. All right, so it might look funny, but I always take, safety, health important, man. You don't want that stuff to kick back, hit you in the eyes, or breathing it in, and then when you're 60 years old, can't breathe and wondering why. So we'll go ahead and get these ripped down. And you can see also, we're outside, but we hook everything up. We try and limit how much of a mess we make. We want to make sure we keep it clean for our clients. And so yeah, we got it through in the dust extraction and then to the shop vac, and then it's connected to an automatic timer. So that way when the saw kicks on, all of this kicks on as well. And now we begin ripping down. This would have been a lot easier with a catch table or somebody on the other side, but didn't have that today. But you got to make do with what you have. Cool. So guys, we've got the board cut. So what we're going to go do now, widthways, we're good. On our width, we're going to go back through now, and we're going to go ahead and mark and go ahead and cut all the way down through here, get our vents put in. Now, everyone's a little bit different on how they like to score and make cuts. I like to score with a knife because you got to account for the width of that blade, which is about a 1/16. And we want this to look very clean in that insert, not have any gaps or anything like that. So we'll go through, put the template down, score it with a knife, and then cut. So that way we get a nice, precise, clean fit to the vent. All right, so we will line that up. I'll go ahead and put the sawtooth on there. Make sure we're lined up good, which we are. There we go, flush, guys. This looks beautiful. We've only got 12 more to go, so let's do it. Now, for those of you that are actually keeping count, yes, I realize there are only 10 here. Client accidentally ordered the wrong size, so we're waiting for more. All right. These came out great. It is time to go ahead and get them installed. You can see we've got this one in, and just look how it's a lot more modern, sleek, sexy. So when you see this beautiful room and then you look down and you're like, everything looks great except for this vent. Look at the difference a custom vent makes. Yeah. Replace with this. Look how much better that looks. Way better. All right, man, that wraps up. We're gonna come back and do some more for them. I told them if they ordered those, I'd get some red oak and put them in. But man, the difference, it gives it such a nice touch of class, something modern, and just looks so much better. Now the only question is, what do we do with this? Facebook, YouTube, we just wrapped up here at this Airbnb up here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. If you're in Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, Seymour, Maryville, Knox County, Blount County, any of the surrounding areas, guys, and you need hardwood floor refinishing, flooring installation, flooring repair, custom vents put in, guys, give us a call today, 865-224-8115, or online at www.elitefloor1.com. Appreciate it.